An aircraft escape slide is an inflatable safety device designed to facilitate the rapid evacuation of passengers and crew from an airplane during an emergency, such as a crash landing or evacuation on water. Typically stored in compartments near the aircraft doors, the slide automatically deploys when the door is opened in emergency mode. Once inflated, it provides a smooth, inclined surface for individuals to slide down to safety. Escape slides are equipped with features like stabilizing ropes, lighting for nighttime use, and sometimes dual functionality as life rafts for water landings. They are a critical component of aviation safety, ensuring swift and orderly evacuations.